Welcome back to Life on Screen. Now, after you successfully registered your location and received confirmation to your email, you will also receive the AdPlayer in your mail a couple of days later. In the mail package, you'll receive the AdPlayer, an HDMI extension, and a power adapter. Altogether, these three things transform your screen into a powerful advertising space. Here's how to install your AdPlayer. First, turn on the TV. Next, take the AdPlayer and the power adapter. Connect the two together. Make sure that you have the power adapter plug turned the right side. Now connect the AdPlayer into the HDMI port of your screen. If you need to, use the HDMI extension. Next, connect the power adapter to an electrical wall socket. Now set your TV source to the right HDMI port and you'll see the Life on Screen logo pop up. After a few seconds, a code will appear on your screen. This code will be used for activating your AdPlayer, which we'll show you how to do in the next video. Congrats! You have successfully installed your AdPlayer. Thank you for using Life on Screen.